It's just one way of saying we need someone who's iron-fisted. Is that what you're saying?
Matapang.
Talagang
May
matapang
may
talaga.
kandidato na ako.
Oo,
Ako
may
may
kandidato ka na, ha?
May kandidato na ako. Hindi
okay.
lalaki. So,
Hindi mas matapang yata yung mga babae,
Hindi,
no?
matapang talaga yung kandidato ko. Kinalaban sila Alice ko, kinalaban ng China. So,
Parang kilala ko yan. Actually, she's also a good friend of mine. And I'd be rooting for her also.
no, that's my preference because I really felt that we really need an anti-corruption crusade. And for the longest time, sasabihin ko na si Risa has been fighting for, she's been up the forefront. Kinalaban si Sara, kinalaban si Digong. Talagang hindi siya umaatras. But we need that eh.
That's right. I remember the Senate hearing, siya lang talagang, di ba? No, that's not it. Yan naman, di ba?
That's why binanatan siya ni Sara. Over the weekend, sinabi niya, ang impeachment complaint ng Akbayan ay para sa presidential ambitions ni Risa Ontiveros.
Nagbitaw si ganun
Nagbitaw si Sara. Kaya sinabi ko, ang tingin nila talaga, threat si Risa. Kumbaga, they're looking at her as ang peer niyang lalabanan. Kaya, tingnan mo yung ito, I've observed this. Sa social media ni Risa, panay-banat ng mga DDS. Pero sa social media ni Bam, wala.
Well, they can tandem.
They can tandem, of course.
Diba?
But not to say, even if I prefer Risa, they have to go through a process. That's why that February 5 meeting, na lahat sila nandun sila, Lenny, Bam, Kiko, Frank Drilon Butchabat, lahat yan. They have to come up with a process. How do we choose a candidate from our side na wag naman magtulad na ang kagandahan lang nito, the last time kasi, pumili sila, walang politiko. Kailangan talaga may politiko sa loob. That's why si Butch at saka si Butch Abad and si Frank Drilon was part of that whole Kasi may mga business people din.
It's going to be an interesting 2028,